Broncos come onto the field for their next series. Manning set, empty backfield. First down and 10. Finds Thomas.
Well, when you play this type of defense where you play cover 3, in other words, you have 3 defenders playing one in the middle, one right, and one left. Well, the weakness of that defense is going to be underneath. So slant patterns, they're pretty easy against this cover 3.
Second down, 2 to go. To the outside, the catch is made. Ezekiel Ansah is in there and makes the play. They hurry to the line of scrimmage. Catch made, and that's a 2-yard gain. The Broncos have a player down here, so we're going to take a quick injury timeout. Coming up, second down.
Let's go.
He'll take the snap from the gun. The flag is down. The catch is made. In on the stop.
Yeah, I was trying to look at something and I fucking jumped the fucking gun.
Offside. Defense.
He was trying to get an early jump on the play, but the referee caught him in the neutral zone. Second down here. The Broncos lined up. Everybody split out wide. From the gun. Throw to the left. And looking underneath, this will go incomplete.
There are a lot of ways to attack cover 2. You can go deep down the middle where neither the safeties are, or if a linebacker covers somebody deep down the middle, then throw it short underneath the defense.
Broncos come to the line with an empty backfield. He'll stand back beyond the center in the gun. And he's forced to the ground.
Well, that time the quarterback is sacked on the third down, and that's, of course, that's bad. But the good thing is he did not try to force the football down the field and get the turnover.
They come to the line of scrimmage. First down. Frank Gore is in the backfield. Flacco flings it way down the field. That ball has been picked off. Tackles made.
Jim, this defense is just attacking today. They got the offense backed up. They go after them. They're aggressive. And what does it do for them? It gets them an interception inside the opponent's 20-yard line.
Offense lines up here.
Get ready.
The Broncos snap it at the 41. Ball comes out. The offense was able to recover the ball. The Broncos signal for the timeout, and they have none remaining. Following that timeout, offense back out on the field. Second down now. The Broncos pistol set here. Should have had it.
Well, it doesn't get much worse than this, does it? You're losing the football game. Now you're looking at third and long. And look, there are no miracles in the NFL. I'll tell you that. So be smart. If the play is not there, don't force it. Dump it off and wait for the next time you get it.
Now looking at third down. The Broncos come out in the pistol. Clay Matthews at the face of the quarterback. So that's going to do it for the first half. Colts are up here in this one. We'll be back with our halftime report after the break.
Because I felt like it. That's why. Shit, I fucking
Tackle just past the 20. We'll mark it at the 22-yard line.
You probably would have made it.
The Colts ready now to start their next series. Take it here from the 22. Two tight ends on the field here. The Colts from the 22. Play fake. Wants to go deep. And he's intercepted. He steps out.
Good job that time by the defense. Not being fooled. Being in position. When you're in position, you have a chance to make the play. That time they did. They got the interception.
First down at the 25. Coughed up the football. A recovery by the defense. He's brought to a halt. The defense comes up with the big play, the hit, and the recovery of the football.
They sure did. They got so much speed on the defensive side, and that speed, when you think about it, it gets more people around the football. It helps you deliver the hit even harder, and that's why they got the turnover. Great job.
Flacco will have it in the pistol. Now 1st and 10. Keeps it here. Here's Bryant. And Bryant is stopped right there. They're back at the line after that catch for a first down. Here's the first snap after the big play. He'll throw it over the middle. Dez Bryant with the catch. Brought down after a gain of 15.
It's crazy
in the
how
hurry up
fucking big
mode.
he is.
First and goal from the 8. That's an
God
interception.
damn it. Again.
And he's brought to the ground. And no return
What?
here.
I did not
So
bring him to the
Madden will
ground.
start this drive from the 20.
Wonderful job by the defense that time. They stayed after it. And inside their own 20, they finally come up with the play. They get the interception, and they keep the other team from getting points on the board.
They'll go Brown. Takes it outright. Anson's in on the tackle.
Can't believe I got that. I want to see if I can make him fumble again.
It's now 2nd down. Manning comes out in the pistol. Will run it. Here's the handoff. They tackle him at the 26-yard line.
Power running. A lot of teams in this league don't even do it anymore. This team, they can power it up in there and pick up those tough yards.
The Broncos in the pistol formation. The Broncos snap it up at the 26. On the money. Well, they convert this time, but they've had a tough time all day long on 3rd down.
Well, I think we all know the situation here. It's a close game in the second half, and you're losing, but you pick up a first down. Oh, my gosh, that opens up many more possibilities what you can do on the offensive side. Good job by the offense.
Here's the handoff, and it's only 2 yards to be found right there. Close game right now, partner, and you look at the matchup at running back, and neither one of them has really been all that effective.
No, Jim, they have not been. I'll say this to the running backs, to the coaches, to the offensive line, everybody. Stay patient, stay with the run game, and I think it will work.
The Broncos have it at the 44. The Broncos unstoppable. The 30.
It is hard to make a tackle from behind out there in open space with the speed of all these guys in the NFL, but a good job that time by the defense making that tackle.
All right, we need a fucking interception, guys.
First down coming up. This play set up by the long gainer. Here is the first snap of the final quarter. Intercepted.
Use your pick, bitch.
Now as the ball comes out to the 20.
That was an awesome job by the defense. They just read the quarterback's eyes. They got in position, and they made the interception.
That was the fucking
Joe Flacco will take it right from the center. First down at the 20. That's
damn.
Bryant, who couldn't
All right,
bring
yeah,
it
that
in.
was a big ass
All you
hit.
have to do
I
is
didn't
watch the
expect
head
him
of the
to fucking
receiver.
get that.
When they drop footballs, usually it's because you can see their head move the other way before the football gets there. That's what happened this time, and it's a drop pass.
No room to complete that one.
Bad job that time by the quarterback. He misses the receiver on the slant route. When you're throwing the slant route, you got to throw it right
he
into
didn't
the
see a
stomach
guy
of the
almost
receiver,
fucking tackle
so
my
it's
ass.
easy for him to make the catch,
Okay.
and he can protect himself also.
They bring in the extra tight end. 3rd and 10. At it for a moment, but the ball is
What the
knocked
fuck?
out incomplete.
That's interesting. As you watch
You're
the
fucking
receiver
kidding me,
trying to
right?
make a catch, he knew the defender was close, so he didn't put all of his heart into it. The defender made a nice hit and knocks the football out to the ground.
Looking for a lane on the return. Then picks up about 3.
Well, returning punts is a tough job. It's about judgment. That time, that was poor judgment by the return man. Should have just had a fair catch and never tried to return that.
Manning comes out in the pistol. First down at the 33. They're going to get him here for a sack.
There's nothing worse to a quarterback than having offensive linemen getting driven back in his way. That time, the right side of the line collapses, and it leads to a sack of the QB.
They are set back in long-distance territory after that sack. Second down coming up. Defense calls a timeout.
Not on purpose. Drop my fucking controller.
Back out there for action after that defensive timeout. A lot of yardage to make up here after that sack. It's second down. Corners formation here for the defense. And he's taken down once more for the sack.
Well, the right side, Jim, the right tackle and the right guard, they look confused. They don't know what to do, so they just get run over, and the quarterback falls down.
Third down after the sack. Time in this one's running out, and the defense knows it needs another stop. Manning from the gun. Here's Sanders.
Are you fucking serious?
Now they take the football onto the opponent's side of the field.
That's a good job that
Wow.
time moving the chains.
I love
picking
how
up
they
that
get
first
one
down. And
fucking
Jim,
play
of course,
and
there's
are
no
able to
time to
fucking
panic in a
other
situation
side of the
like this. I
goddamn
think they
field.
know that. It's in the second half. You're down just a few points. Just keep looking for ways to get another first down, and that'll serve you.
And we're back now as the defense will try to keep the offense off the board. Late here in the fourth. Now on first down. Every snap crucial the rest of the way. First down following the long play. Manning out of the gun. Over to Thomas. That'll stop the play right there. Second down, late in the fourth quarter. They'll go right to the hurry up. Won't use a timeout here. Hands in on that tackle. This is an almost must-convert scenario. Third down coming up here in the late stages. Yes, it's four-down territory, but you don't want to face make or break at this point.
Yeah, the defensive side, it's time for the coach to do his job. Be aggressive, call a defense that the offense has not seen so far today. If you do that, I think you'll catch them by surprise.
Peyton Manning from the shotgun.
Second
Down. The quarterback hits the deck for a second straight play.
Listen, there's no